How to set up OBS with the GameChanger app. Your first step would be to set up the OBS Studio. So go ahead and download OBS, open it and head into settings and then select video. And then set up your base canvas at 920 by 1080 and then click on OK. Once you've done so, get your stream key from the GameChanger app where you have to use the external encoder. So just open up the GameChanger app, select your team and open the game, tap on go live, use the stream key or external encoder, copy the stream key, connect it to OBS by pasting in that key. To do this, open up your OBS, head into settings, then head into stream. And then where we have select service, go ahead and select custom. And then in the server, paste the URL from the game changer. And then in the stream key, paste the stream key you copied and then click on OK. Then go ahead and add the sources you want to include in your stream, such as a video capture device that is your camera or the capture card, and then images such as your logos or overlays, and then your browser source like your scoreboard or graphics, and then your audio input if you need to, your microphone. And then once you're done, you can now go ahead and start streaming by clicking on Start Streaming on the Game Changer app, and in OBS, click on Start Streaming as well. So that's it. All right, guys.